Salutations to the friend of all. Having risked all things known to the possibility of complete annihilation, he dedicated his whole entire life in reaching out to a world that was headed in a completely opposite direction to what the scriptures pointed out. This he did out of sheer humanity, deepest love for his fellow beings, and with absolutely no expectation of anything in return.
I'm aware that you lecture to many people all of the time, and that you have in many ways brought priestly teachings to the masses. Why have you done that?
When you know that a child is dangerously near the veranda, and that he may trip at any time and fall down, do you mean to say that I must watch? It's out of sheer love. Whose child it may be, it doesn't matter. But he is in danger, you jump at him and try to pull him out, isn't it? The poor fellow is going there without knowing the consequence. Will you not run? If you are a human being, will you not run to help him? When I know that the whole world is going in a wrong direction, should I not scream and run after him? Is this not the impetus with which all the prophets and saints and sages have been working, even at the risk of their own disaster? That is a man of perfection when he works in the world outside. He has no other motive. He doesn't want any profit from the world. He doesn't want anything. He doesn't desire anything. All that his actions are a concretization of his love of the people. So when I understood this philosophy, I thought that, oh, what is man doing? Bringing a disaster upon themselves. So I started discussing it with intelligent people, thinking that I may be a fool, that I accepted everything of the scripture. And I discussed it, I found that they know nothing. They have never even turned their thought to it.